At Futraheat, we help industry decarbonize. Our flagship Greensteam heat pump series, with our patented Turboclaw compressor at its heart, recycles waste heat and transforms it into useful process steam up to 200 degrees centigrade and beyond. Our 300 kilowatt Beachhead Greensteam 360 unit is designed for straightforward integration into existing heat networks and can deliver a 60-degree temperature lift with its two-stage Turboclaw design. At their heart, all Futraheat industrial heat pumps use our game-changing Turboclaw compressor technology. Turboclaw is a completely new type of super-compact sub-megawatt turbocompressor which utilizes magnetic bearings to offer oil-free, low-maintenance operation. Turboclaw's low-profile impeller rotates at less than half the speed of a conventional centrifugal compressor for a significantly simpler, lower-cost machine. This unique design radically transforms the business case for heat pumps and offers a unique opportunity to cost-effectively decarbonize sub-megawatt processes that make up the majority of industrial heat users. Futraheat, delivering low-carbon heat to industry.